Welcome, everyone. My name is Sonu Beatty. I teach in the government department. I teach courses in law and political theory. So I have the particular pleasure and honor today of welcoming Professor Randall Kennedy for the Roger S. Aaron lectureship. A lectureship that's sponsored by the Dartmouth Legal Studies faculty, the Dartmouth Lawyers Association, and the Rockefeller Center. I want to ask all of you to just turn off your cell phones. Don't put them on vibrate, actually turn them off. These days, vibrating cell phones make just as much noise as ringing ones. There will be a question and answer component after Professor Kennedy's talk. And I encourage you all to ask questions, and there'll be a microphone that we'll pass around so that we can make sure that you speak in the microphone so everyone can hear your question. Actually, I first met Professor Kennedy. He was an old teacher of mine at Harvard Law School, where he is the Michael R. Klein Professor of Law. It was actually a seminar entitled The Gay and Lesbian Liberation Movement. I don't know if he remembers that. And that is not his focus of research. It was just some seminar that he offered. And probably one of, I don't even think he knows this, one of the most sort of influential seminars in my own research in sexuality and the law. He approached that area, which he was new to, with sort of the objectivity and rigorous analysis that he approaches race, which is his expertise. I can safely say that he is, like, one of these, from all the teachers I had at Harvard Law School, one of the sharpest and most thought-provoking, if not the sharpest and most thought-provoking teacher. He's never afraid to ask the question and never afraid to challenge a conventional or orthodox wisdom. And that's sort of evident in his scholarship on race in the law. He's an expert in the jurisprudence of civil liberties. He's written many books, articles, editorials. One of his books explores the history and deployment of the most infamous racial slur in our country. He has another book on race, crime, and the law, and it explores the way the criminal law intersects with issues of race. He's written a book on intimacy and race, the intersection of the two, a book that we had a very lively discussion in class today. He came and discussed it with my students. And his most recent book that just came out in January 2008 is entitled Sell Out: The Politics of Racial Betrayal. And I reread the book